Hello fellow YouTubers. As a firearm owner here in Australia, I am compelled by law to store my firearms in a metal cabinet under lock and key. I also have to store my ammunition in a separate metal cabinet under lock and key. Now, because I live on the coast where the humidity is usually high, particularly in the summer, I needed a product that would stop the build-up of mould and mildew on firearms. And this is the product I use, Damprid. It's 60% plus calcium chloride, which is a salt, but not like common salt, which is sodium chloride. Now it comes from the supermarket in these little, they already have a sachet of, well, I call them crystals, calcium chloride crystals, and crystals just absorb moisture from the air and deposit it at the bottom of the container. Now, instead of buying the small refills, I buy it in bulk in these 3.4 kilos. This unit from the supermarket is around $7. This 3.4 kilo I get from the local Big W, it's around $15. This container here I have close to my laptop. Now I changed the crystals for, I think, 2 days ago. And even after 2 days, there is a small amount of liquid at the bottom of this container. After 2 days. In fact, during the summer, I will change the crystals over at least once a month. And when I go to do so, this container, as the ones in the firearm cabinet and ammunition cabinet, will be almost full of liquid. And it's a very salty liquid too. So be careful. It's going to spill it on your lawn because it will kill your grass in no time at all. But it is a great weed killer. So if you've got a section that's full of weeds, just pour the moisture or the liquid on the weeds. It works a treat. So I can highly recommend this product to anyone where mould and mildew is a problem. Particularly any of your firearm owners out there who, like me, have a gun cabinet and a separate ammunition cabinet. Damprid, 2 thumbs up.